Hello guys, in today's video I will be telling you about the must needed apps for YouTubers. So before we start this video, I want to tell you that this is not a sponsored video, okay? So let's have a look at the first app. Okay, so here we'll be having a look at 5 applications. So the first one here we have is YouTube Studio. I'm sure that everybody are aware of this, isn't it? So this is the logo of YouTube Studio. You can see. So the first on our list is YouTube Studio. So basically, without this app, you cannot uh, put thumbnails for your videos if you upload videos through your tablet or through your phones. But if you upload videos through your computer or your laptop, it is not needed. Okay, so by installing this you can put your custom thumbnails, but before that you have to register your account on your laptop or your computer, and then only you can put your own thumbnails. And yeah, also you can also disable and enable comments and number of likes, and you can allow embedding, and from there you can change the title of the video and description and so many other things you can do using this YT Studio or the YouTube Studio. And the second application which is on our list is any video editor you can use. So actually most of the people actually prefer Kind Master because it has so many effects, and it is actually the best kind of thing which I feel. Okay, you can use any video editor, like there are Power Director and there are so many other applications, but this is the pro one. Okay, you also get APK in which, yeah, the pro APK in which you don't get the watermark. Okay, and the next application which is on our list is Thumbnail Maker. If you have registered, if you are, say, if you are uploading videos through a mobile, and if you have not registered your YouTube channel account into your from your laptop or your computer, then this application is not at all necessary. If you have registered, and then you can use this application. You can download any thumbnail maker from Play Store. Okay, there are plenty and plenty of them. So it's your wish, whichever you want you can download. So yeah, thumbnail maker is also a very useful application. You can make so you can make your videos attractive and get more views and stuff. So yeah, this is another application. And if you go to the next application, which is the screen recorder, you can use any screen recorder. So this is just a simple logo which I just got. So you can use any screen recorder, guys, because the main thing what you need is just a screen recorder. Here I'm using ADV screen recorder. I'm reminding you that this is not a sponsored video. Okay, so yeah, uh it's your wish, whichever screen recorder you want you can use. There are plenty and plenty of them. And next one is an intro maker. So yeah, at the starting, or like, you can make awesome intros, like it'll be very good. So like, say, after some point of time you want to put the intro, so yeah, it'll be some kind of good and stuff. So I have, from recently, I'm putting the intro at the starting, and I have changed the intro as well. And one more happy news is that we are reaching 100 subscribers. So yes guys, thank you very much for your support, and we are also reaching about 10k views. Okay, so thank you very much. You can download any intro maker. So yeah, and the next bonus application on our list is Video Compressor. Okay, in my channel till now I have uploaded about 3 videos using this Video Compressor. It takes a plenty of time, so yeah, I don't want to waste time. I just upload it like that. So say if you don't have much internet, and or it's over, so, and it's a very long video, you can just compress it. Okay, and by compressing, the quality becomes a bit less. Okay, like if you want to make it 360p, it will be a bit less. If you want to make it 144p, then it will be too less. So I don't recommend using this application, but still I just wanted to tell this. Okay, this is actually kind of useful application who like you don't care about quality, and you just want like some text you want to be displayed and nothing else, like you're not unboxing or yeah. For some people it can be useful, it can save internet, and if you don't have internet also it can be useful. So yes guys, we'll end this video over here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, smash that bell icon, and also like this video. Make sure to share this video because this video is very useful. So guys, thanks for watching.